son will be taking over this responsibility now.
Is it almost?
Yeah. It doesn't say pause on it.
No.
Okay. Well, it's on. Focus on me. I got something to say.
Who are you?
Well, Mrs. Mike, I got something to say. First step in stopping the violence is to feed the people who are hungry so they have the energy so they can help stop the violence. Check it.
It is good.
Should actor.
We all should. Like it. Man.
Que viva la